Hello guys, it is Axe from the 1%, and as promised, this is going to be the free YouTube video, and this will be the introduction to the advancement of quarterly theory. Now, what we're going to be focusing on today. Today we are going to focus on higher time frame to lower time frame draws on liquidity. Now, going through social media and seeing a lot of traders online that do trade quarterly theory, they've all been struggling with the same thing. And what is that thing that you guys have been struggling on? And that will be not knowing where you are. Now, what does this mean? So, to begin with this whole concept, the main thing which shows you where price is and where price wants to go is Kraken correlations. Now, Kraken correlation 1 being LP sequential SMT alongside with normal sequential SMT and TPDs. Now you may be thinking, what is the connection between the two? How would TPDs and LP sequential SMTs show you what price is going to do and what price has already done? Now the key thing is to merge these two concepts, merge these two confluences with stage of market structure. Now, what do I mean by market structure? Market structure is the way that price moves. Price accumulates, price expands, price retraces, price accumulates, price expands, and then price reverses. Now, you link these two confluences with each stage of a market maker model, which would be the original consolidation, the first phase accumulation, and the original consolidation, which is your reversal point, also known as smart money reversal. Now, a time frame aligned TPD slash sequential SMT takes out an LP sequential SMT, or it will continue an LP sequential SMT. What does this mean? Let's use this for example. Over here you have your higher time frame LP, which will be your overall drawn liquidity. Now, just because this is a LP SMT does not mean you cannot take a trade off of it. Price would consolidate, followed by an expansion. And the funny thing is, at the end of this expansion, you would see another LP SMT, which then gets taken out by a time frame aligned TPD, followed by another expansion. Now, this is your main point of reversal. And what causes this reversal would be a time frame aligned TPD for your higher time frame drawn liquidity. After you have established this reversal point, price will follow with an expansion. Now, why is this expansion important? This expansion confirms your reversal, and in theory, if you do miss entry at this low, this would be your next highest probability entry point. Now, price will give you a signature to show you that price is going to continue towards this higher time frame draw with a lower time frame LP sequential SMT, followed by a lower time frame TPD, which activates your higher time frame draw. And this would be a very high probability setup, which would fail 10% of the time. So you would have a 90% accuracy if you do this correctly. Now, LPSMT shows you two things: when price will reverse or when price will continue. Now, if you do go ahead and study this, and if you are able to identify which TPDs take out which SMTs and pair those two together, your win rate will be very high. And I do recommend you guys do go and study this. That's all from me today. Thank you for listening.